Atiafaso. But Mary. It's because I marry and I make because I marry no and I make I will say and you know tell to go so welcome of another amount welcome of a beer subi ma or baby ada and it's all best pa from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Obe enjoy free morning calls for 6 solid months. We are very simple and once all months I can new Airtel Tigo SIM. One make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money, then you get free Airtel Tigo morning calls for 6 months, and then free Airtel Tigo money transfers for 6 whole months. What I say now, if you're already registered on Airtel Tigo money, don't worry. Just dial *110#. Now select the option 2, and then you select free morning offer. Sebe also be to me as subscribe for just 2 cedis. Now so no pay dia. What me a share every morning for free only on Airtel Tigo. So go on and buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. Now I got it. Yes, I got it. Yeah. Yep, Mike check. All right, so Mommy Boat.
Roger.
Yeah, Akwaba. Today is Tuesday. Now, and then Echo.
Okay. Now, Mommy, she waiting for it.
It's here for Joe.
It's here from Poncho. We are now.
Here, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Okay, now, and I know, should I good the me you good mood. Because story bia me you about no amara ho kakra. Ba jeri nde wiase ya. Ehu. E wiase ya yo. Ba jeri. E wiase ya yo pop. Ehu. E chere se me papa ni bi kra po fi honom na. E wiase still oye yo. Yeah. I was into the jeri. E wiase ya yo dem.
Tell me about it.
Bajeri ebeke des insim ye hu Mr. Ibu ne picture bi na na yefuna ye de shinko Africa de wa abo na wa no mansa ma yefuna ye kese wa ka the hospital no munse bebrema papa no ba out be ka de onye no kwar na no kwar wo mu no ehu bajeri azakura wo asasi du nyide no kwar ehu a onsuma aza wo for the truth onsuma mo bedem bia no obedan obopwe na no kwar wo mi de sana Mr. Ibu ehu ne workers no onye woni ye adwuma no sana what taste when ben mo zini nyina no sana na were poison ehu me pon cho won ko hwe picture no ehu won ko Facebook
yeah
the picture no to do na ehwe most papa ni efuna ya papa yanka sa nya me
for this one the memo bin kancho the picture is there on your Facebook page Adom 106.3 right
brother we na me nyim no kwani
I say ye ya popping from a good moon.
Brajeri, Papa Nankasa mum ne yefun so.
No, but the fruit one is not like this one. This one it looks very abnormal. This one it's scary.
Brajeri,
you can join us on Facebook and check it out for yourself.
Wow. So only one year juma. No, wa pay slow poison to this extent.
What?
Workers on you want to hear you more.
Charlie, me not
time for being on your workers now. You're close. Someone can send a 1 penny some worry in the move.
No, but when they took this picture, was it that he was sweating or they doing now fast? No,
the condition or common now. Wait a picture at 1 day and shake.
Hey,
that's the kuna work Mr. Ibu. Brajeri, Yazi, yo. Ana make Yazi, yo, papa, ni papa, crazy on my Yazi, or the why yo. Na Brajeri oyare ho osde otum otwashi bibi tumi na we twashi na oda honom na workers no e kire wona nam no won kasa no humpo
oh no
na dancers no be fun when you no call hospital sankanya nyame a
that's so bad
slow poison kan we ku Mr. Ibu
that's so bad
inta kire wo pede ye je asesere wan another papa was no we so honom do ma ye asesere yanyim a lot of jokes from Mr. Papa why be me yim go for papa we heal one of depression na obi tumutna ho no boni tirim po da muruku Mr. Ibu abazi na ibinya Brajeri
it's crazy
mukun mo we binya abazi afim
it's crazy
Brajeri oya asefim but mamunko menyim atasa na iwiazi so ehwa azokra owo asasi do a menyu age ho paanye de se obi ala mbo trumpeter wala suitu butuma for trumpet na wala bowaze
that's it
ebono popi ni papa jeda mo na waje no obi ala nje do so no abonu solo
yeah
na American da no coffee mole also there ni hip hop song of the year award no wini no onye by prophecy no onye magic brother no so aye adwuma also so show one no nyo category ni mu na there or your efforts
Yeah.
No, osne kudu de mumpempendo no. Inti Kofi Mole na kasa widen, wa bonne trumpets. Also aye adwuma. Nti se no pedo chero deserve and don't deserve na bragery more bossor de ho peda menyu susu asemi hu. Nka wo ze pain nti nyim agete so wa.
Me shut down nim no sir, but I think me tin ho asem.
Okay, ma so mbeti ni
man shut down meeting.
Me sure they be tefu mpanyimfo no bo hu agete so wa. No oye dancer. Papa no was a dance. You know, Ghana, ya ka Ghana dance. One was a dance akwechi wa Ghana hare ya. Ye mubozi ne ye papa ni zini film.
Yeah.
We trade dues. What's up, papa? The papa, what can say me? I'm very interested. I'm peden de. Mini wait say for me. You want to check? Papa also there. When no ankasa there. One for the school seriously. Braja, we the master me oh you serious issue.
You've no muntie ni.
The master me oh you very serious.
Ebia na nim na ye ka say at the Facebook on to betimi ahwe. Aje to so in action, so what I say,
Papa no so basa, trying to say, but also when no wonder one go school because I been go school no go teaching most more no. Brother, a lot of musicians were Ghana had there. What started what he hates of all schools there be go school. Oh, no,
so do you have any plans of going back to the classrooms and tell where we catch the school?
But there is Tikano and a fame we friend anyone. Into your own future no why Blake. Amano inti me feel do oya foto so de nyina ya fa kakra edition no kotokum the education no ohia no bi kaka de education is the key to success so key na ga so bi aja she no kotokum but say ko school kakra obi no ntum nsisu atasa calculation bi kra na nyipa kuna asese ne pepepe the course school one more contractor in so mun sign efe ni gen sign the contract but mo zan akankan
na what you say
exactly because all to the be na contract na zibi ho bind wa sankin hu na ntamaka contract na here and sign ebu wie no na aku ebiko kudu baby no na say we chihwe ebi na kaki remember kaki all listen the songs nyina because o sign the contract o che there onyin nkofo ni break off onya zo botum watu one enyum bia wa onye woni ye bia. And now, where's Kaki?
Yeah.
And to me feel the education is very important. Papa na some okay, when you are papa pansi, who may want to get room. Now, what talent pursue it, but men for education on tension. A bottom I be any abon coffee ye mo ye waso, a bottom aye, mo waye ye. Business that Mammy Watson, my president for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Master the Virgin.
All right, yeah, that's it. Mammy Boot and I attending Castle, they feel like a brain, Ugusuti 106.3 FM. If I try and fast day, do my Vodafone. Yeah, Vodafone saying can't you say you use Vodafone cash now, they send this Camobi or Vodafone cash where you're free. Sounds now you use Vodafone cash now, they send this Camobi or any other networks where no so you're free and Joshi. Yeah. So it's about that time you switch to Vodafone.
Hello, fella.
Because the future is exciting. Ready? That's what it is. And shouts going out to taxi driver with car registration number GW6134-20. You're from Mr. Ebenezer.
Manden Jerry Kells.
Now, you see, Utie. Adom FM pa na for Ofie Kwanso ni agro na ade bi eye Ofie Kwanso bia wa ye ni nyina che so ni na oni na wa kan ni na cha akotaju
my feel that way they blow they akra cause we all
and e Benjamin sha na cause we tie wa
come out no tiny Adam we no go play show the Ghana Music Awards more controversy appear Tuesday at the house still
happy birthday
boss is small
and come Mr. Kofi Safo aka Saforo from Ochame
TikTok
Bramo
artist of
Adom
on the night
DJ
to the show but at some school
Amos papa
and fellow fella ASEM with the fella this be the 20
near Ferra okay me for we in the Odoka Kra yeah man tell them happy birthday going out to Millicent Adom Dombo. Oye Juma Waya Ghana National Fire Service. Yeah, Ministry Fire Station, Opposite Controller and Accountant General. Honor. May the Almighty God bless and protect you as always and make you grow in grace with favor. Always.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling low. Baby, I can remember what feeling right.
Baby, when you open, the man where you're nice, the man where you're frank. I'm feeling low.
Baby, I can remember what feeling right.
Baby, when you open, the man where you're nice, the man where you're frank.
I'm thinking
Of you.
Yeah, I keep thinking
Of you. Now listen.
Although I'm in number one, yes.
Tell them.
I am Mr. People from.
There be on phobia.
And I'm famous already. Would it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse me from me.
Long time.
Girl, you know I'm busy. Me travel for time. And I'm in general. Right now, I'm feeling low. Baby, I can baby, I can remember what feeling right. Baby, I'm feeling low. Baby, I can
And today happens to be the birthday of Mr. Sebo. Happy birthday going out to you, Seth Sebo. Here at MultiMedia or Engineering Department, aka Sebo. One fantastic guy. Evo, God bless you, yeah. How are you, one? Maybe stretchy. I'll go sort you one time.
I'm feeling low. Baby, I can remember what feeling right.
Good evening, Jerry. Please, a happy birthday going out to Presbyter Kwabena Boateng, President of YAF, Race Congregation of the Presby Church, from a session, members of the church, and then Ensemble Queen family.
Baby, I can remember what feeling right. Remember why you're nice. Remember why you're nice. I'm feeling low. Baby, I can want me tonight.
Please, Jerry, a happy birthday going out to Veronica Boachi, aka Mami Sewa, MPP Deputy Women Organizer, Botiano English Yaman from Ejapoku. And this one here says, I was found see on the lonely note from the man Jalid. Give me a crumb and friend you may know see a cassia ball and 12 so let's check our time already. That's right, y'all. Time to bounce out of here one more time and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. Many thanks to you and you out there for staying with us. May God bless you.